It's Grizzly Productions. Nah, it's D-Boney's YouTube. D-Boney, known as the Rhiannon Kids. Just cruising, making videos, dumb videos, so don't hate. So we just made another video. Me and this bitch dancing.
Which one is it on?
D-Boney.
Oh shit.
If you wanna see Fanatics, Dougie,
Don't hate.
go on the Chucky's Dougie, motherfuckers. Fuck you. Fucking hate you guys. So you can write all those nasty comments, but I already shoot at you first. So fuck you, fuck your mom, fuck your dad.
Fuck your coffee. Yeah.
I'm just joking. I love you guys.
Don't say that. We'll drink your coffee.
I love all the YouTubers. You guys are gonna make me famous. Yay, Amy. I'm done. I'm fucking done recording this shit. Nah, I'm just playing.
Peace out, blood.